On account of the 74th Indian Independence Day, I have designed a new Android app using the MIT App Inventor. I have named my new app Wish IID. Wish IID stands for Wish India Independence Day. For the icon of my Wish IID Android app, I have chosen the image of a circular Indian flag. Now let me open my app and explain all its features to you. Once opened, the first screen appears. My first screen has the background image of the Indian flag which is hoisted, and the Indian flag is waving in the sky. In the label below, it is informing that it is India's Independence Day today. So let's wish everyone a happy Independence Day. Down below there is also a button on which it's written let's wish someone. So when you click on the button let's wish someone, a new screen opens. In the new screen the real magic happens. It is the main feature of the app. This app is designed to wish everyone a happy Independence Day. To know the action that is going to happen in the screen 2, you first have to enter the sender's name such that the receiver who is receiving your greeting will know your name. Once done, you have to click on wish and the greeting starts. On the top, in the label, the sender's name is attached with a message. For now, the sender's name is Farhan. So the message shows Farhan wishes you a very happy Independence Day on this 15th of August. And a video message also starts playing. When you click the done button, the greeting will end along with the video message. And then a new screen opens. At the top of the screen, in the label, the creator of this app, that is none other than me, wishes everyone a happy Independence Day and thanks the user for using this app to wish everyone happy Independence Day. In this screen, the national anthem also starts playing, and at the bottom there are two buttons. The national anthem ends, Vande Mataram also starts playing.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamalam.
If you don't want to hear the songs completely, you can either directly close the application by clicking on close application button in the bottom, or you can read the description of the application by clicking on about application button at the bottom. So here is the description. Even in the about application screen, you have a close application button to anytime close the app. When you click on the close application button, it takes you back to your home screen. These were the extraordinary features of my Wish IID app, the Independence Day greeting app. Hope you liked my Wish IID app and hope you will design such apps to wish everyone a happy Independence Day. From my side to all my viewers, I wish everyone a happy Independence Day. Thank you. Goodbye.